Imagine drifting alone through the vast emptiness of space. Suddenly, you enter one of the largest structures in the universe. But there is a problem. You cannot see it. There are no glowing clouds, no swirling light, and no warning signs. Just empty space. Yet hidden within this invisible region lies an enormous mass capable of shaping entire galaxies. This is the terrifying scientific reality of falling into a primordial dark matter halo. To understand what would happen, we first need to understand what dark matter is. Everything we can see in the universe, stars, planets, galaxies, and even the atoms in our bodies, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The remaining majority is made of mysterious components scientists call dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter does not emit light. It does not reflect light, and it cannot be seen with any telescope. Yet scientists know it exists because of its powerful gravitational effects. When astronomers observe galaxies rotating, they notice something strange. The outer regions of galaxies move much faster than expected. If only visible matter existed, these galaxies should fly apart. But they don't. Something invisible is holding them together. That invisible substance is dark matter. After the Big Bang, tiny fluctuations in matter began to grow under gravity. Over millions of years, dark matter slowly gathered into enormous structures called dark matter halos. These halos act like invisible scaffolding for the universe. Inside them, gas and ordinary matter collapse to form galaxies. In fact, our own Milky Way galaxy sits inside a massive dark matter halo. But some halos formed extremely early in the universe. Scientists call these primordial dark matter halos. They are among the very first large structures that ever formed after the birth of the cosmos. Now imagine drifting toward one of these halos. Unlike a black hole, you would not see violent radiation or glowing disks. From the outside, space would appear completely normal. Stars would still shine. Galaxies would look unchanged. And nothing would warn you that you were entering one of the most massive structures in existence. As you slowly pass into the halo, you might not feel anything at first. Dark matter barely interacts with normal matter. It passes through atoms almost effortlessly. Trillions of dark matter particles could pass through your body every second without you ever noticing. But gravity tells a different story. As you move deeper into the halo, its enormous mass begins to influence your path. Your trajectory through space slowly curves. Your spacecraft instruments detect subtle gravitational shifts. You are no longer moving through empty space. You are traveling through an invisible ocean of mass. In the densest regions of the halo, things could become more dangerous. Some theories suggest dark matter particles might occasionally collide or annihilate each other. If that happens, bursts of high-energy radiation could be produced. These energetic particles could damage electronics and expose travelers to dangerous radiation. Navigation systems might fail. Sensors could begin detecting strange gravitational distortions. Yet visually, everything would still appear calm and empty. This is what makes dark matter halos so unsettling. They dominate the universe, but they hide completely from our eyes. The most astonishing part is their size. A typical dark matter halo can be hundreds of thousands of light-years across. Some halos are massive enough to contain entire clusters of galaxies. If you fell into one, you could travel for millions of years and still remain inside its gravitational influence. You would be surrounded by something that shapes the entire structure of the cosmos, yet you would never truly see it. Dark matter halos are the hidden architecture of the universe. They guide the formation of galaxies. They control the movement of stars, and they influence the evolution of the cosmos itself. Yet, despite decades of research, scientists still do not know exactly what dark matter is made of. If humanity ever discovers its true nature, it could completely transform our understanding of physics and the universe. Until then, these enormous invisible structures remain one of the greatest mysteries in science. And somewhere out there in the darkness, countless primordial dark matter halos continue shaping the universe, silently and unseen. Please like and subscribe if you want more knowledgeable videos.